If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should.
So hi guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. So hair is done, lashes is done, nails are done. So period.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, but cities to places, a better one I saw. I said, step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right. No room for worries, just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah.
Guys, I bought a new foundation, Maybelline baby, so let's unbox. So yeah, the Superstay is here to stay, my loves. Ooh, thank you, baby. Okay, that's it. I just came to, and it's my shade, baby. I'm gonna do a makeup soon.
Step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right. No room for worries, just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. So hair check, nails check, lashes check, and the outfit of the day. I don't know how to get it done because the buttons.
Can I be your star tonight?
I just came to say hi, and I have an unboxing to do. I bought a new bag. That's the main point. And I'm going to town. I need to fix my nail and also buy some little stuff.
You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave you. your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky.
Here is the bag.
Say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gone ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weave, so in. Say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gone ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag.
So now I just have to fill things that I want to carry in here. So yeah, I have a lot of clothes to unbox, but today is just the bag. Just the bag. I have another bag. What's the other bag?
Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weave, so in. Say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gone in. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina.
So hi guys. So today is just the evening. What I do? Outfit of the day. Quick outfit. I have this pink and white and my hair. So I wore this headband because I don't want to make my edges. I'm tired, baby. I just want to look cute, sexy, demure. So I bought some items, so let me unpack and show you what I bought today. This is a eyeshadow palette. I got a green tea makeup spray. Yes, setting spray. The second accessories. This is a hair clip. I want to try it on now. Look at this hair clip. Look at it. I love it already. I also bought this watch. Gold, baby, gold. Well, I need someone to help me close it up. An LV. I also have my Cartier, so I need to put that. So we have this mini bag, because you know me. If you know me, I don't like carrying biggie bags. I just love a small one. Oh, it looks cute. So cute. But I actually think it looks like this my Chanel bag. But anyway, they are different. So I've already tied my hair. Check it in. Yeah. Anyhow, it is what it is. And I moved the ones that I was wearing and I'm back to my Cartier, baby. My hands, calm down. Yeah, we are back to Cartier. Yes. So I want to put them here.
Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop grooves wrap around my very being. Four place rhymes, the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, I'm feeling my intentions. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find sorrow.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze, in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low, music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace, lost in the moment.